I got it, man. I got it today. The recipe for the happiness. This morning, I decided to go for a walk and see the people in their different attires. I used to think that I was the only one person who was not happy. I was outside. I could see people with packets of newspaper. They were going around distributing it to few of us for their morning pleasure. I saw people carrying vegetables in their bicycle. They were serving us fresh vegetables for our happiness. I saw people sweeping the road. They were doing it for our happiness. I saw so many people, and I saw people idling with their earphones and talking to us, or the people, their canes, and they were doing it for their happiness and their own happiness. You know what happens mostly? We have been doing so many things for the happiness of others, and that work which we do is surely is a way forward for enhancing our own happiness. So the best thing you have to do every day, every morning, every moment is find that little work which makes others happy. The smile in someone's face can trigger that big smile in your face. So